Okay, so now we are on the next problem, which is scenario 2, and it's going to be problem 2. Now I kept the writing the same because it basically says we're using the same fact patterns as explained in scenario 1. So the issue now is, what is the interest, the working interest and the net revenue interest of Andrew and Oil Company in the tract? Now they're adding another fact to it, and that is that Andrew's acreage is placed in an 80-acre oil unit. So this is not going to change our calculations in the lease, but it is going to change our calculations in the tract. And this is the way it's going to work. So the working interest for Andrew in the tract is going to continue to be 0. And his net revenue interest is going to be, well, it was 1/8 or 0.125. But now we've got to multiply that, the number of tract acres that Andrew owns, by the unit acres. So the tract acres are 40 acres, and the unit acres is 80 acres. So we can see pretty quickly that this is a 1/2 interest, 40 over 80. So we're just multiplying 0.125 times 1/2, or 0.125 times 0.5. And what we're going to get is 0.125 times 0.5. And that's going to make Andrew's net revenue interest in the lease a 0.0625 once it's placed in the unit. So that is 0.0625. And then what about the working interest here? Again, Oilco owns 100% of the working interest, but what is their net revenue interest? Well, remember we said they owned a 7/8 net revenue interest. And we said that converted to a 0.875. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go 0.875 times Andrew's tract acres divided by the unit acres, total unit acres. And that's 80. So again, we're just doing 0.875 times 0.5. And that's going to be 0.875 times 0.5. And that is a 0.4375. So that is the correct interest for problem 2. Now it does have a place in your book for others, meaning what is the remaining balance. And basically their interest is 50%. Oilco's interest would be 50% here, 40 over 80. So that means there's somebody else out there that also owns a 50% interest. And the correct answer here would be, again, A.